Welcome! Today we're going to replace the ink cartridge in your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Open the ink cartridge cover. Press the lock release lever and remove the empty cartridge. Unpack the new ink cartridge, being careful not to touch the ink sensor chip. When installing the black cartridge, gently shake 15 times before replacing. Insert the cartridge into the correct slot. Push until the ink cartridge locks into place. Close the ink cartridge cover. The display should now show the replace color is full. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.